Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the photo editor on the CapCut mobile. So after you open the CapCut apps, just go to the Explore section, click on View All, and find these photo editor options. Click on that and just select the photo that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to edit these photos right here. Click on edit at the bottom. So in here at the bottom, you can see there are a lots of editing that you can do. You can, for example, change the size of the photo into square. For example, here, click on a check icon, and you can also zoom in the photo like this so that it doesn't have any white background. Okay, you can also add tags, change the shape or also style. Here you can also add another photo. Let's try it. For example, this one. Here you can also do cutout for the add edit photo, but I'm not going to add a photo. And here you can also do adjust here to correct the coloring of the photo like that. So when you're done, you can just click on export. Then the photo will be saved to your device. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.